Morning folks, how are you all? So, plan for today is I want to start painting. Obviously this back end isn't finished yet, it still looks dead ropey, but I want to do something different. So, as some of you have probably noticed already, there's a big dent in the side of the tank. Well, actually, that's a lie, it's not big. It's about golf ball size. When we first looked at it, we thought we were probably going to fill it, because obviously trying to get a dent out is a pain. But it's not actually that deep. So I'm going to try a couple of things first and see if we can do it. A couple of dent removal methods. The first one I'm going to do involves a heat gun and the compressor. Now I don't know if the compressor is going to be cold enough, but we'll give it a go. It's better to use like a compressed can, because then you get the freezing liquid stuff that comes out of it, but we'll try it anyway. Might be okay. So what I'm going to do is heat up around the dent and then cool it down rapidly with the thing, and it should pop the dent out, maybe. Thanks, Mars.
Coffee o'clock, Mom.
So we'll try that, give that a couple of goes. If that don't work, I think Jez has a glue gun. So obviously I'm going to be painting this, so the paint's not that big of an issue. But yeah, if the thingy one don't work, we're going to glue something to it and try and pull it out. I don't really want to fill it, if I can help it. That's kind of the last resort. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with the green. I've brought my tin of paint that I painted this van with, so I'll see if that's any good. I've not got the lid off yet, so I'll try the green, see how it looks. If I don't like it, then I'll do it black, and that will definitely look good. But that's the only roller bit. For the rest of the bike, I've got spray. I ordered a ton of it. I've got gloss black, I've got satin black, I've got VHT high temperature stuff, matte black to do the engine, and then I've got some etch primer as well, to obviously, because doing all the chrome and stuff, it's going to need sanding down, priming, and yeah, doing properly. So looking forward to it. It does, as it sits there right now, it does look nice, but I think if the vision I've got comes out, it's going to look mega. So, while I've been waiting for the compressor, I decided to do the finishing work on the seat to secure it down. If you can see that from there, you probably can't. So this is how I decided to go about doing it. Just got some strips of metal here, which are riveted on with 10mm rivets. Just have to drill through really carefully, so obviously you don't puncture out through the other side. But because of the padding I've used, you can't feel those rivets. They only just come through. So I need to do one more plate there, and then one at the front, and that'll be rock solid on there. It's already pulled it down tighter, which is what I was hoping for. So yeah, that should last a fair while. I don't know how long the actual material will last before it starts to wear out, but we shall see. Maybe I'll have to cover it with real leather at some point. So we'll get a before close up. There it is. Okay, get it out. Tell if that did out. I don't think so.
How warm is it?
It's cold now. Yeah, I think that's working. It's probably not extreme enough temperatures, I don't know. I watched a video of a guy doing it, and it worked pretty well. Okay, so no bueno on the compressor. Kind of expected that, if I'm honest, but you know, I'm sure it works in some circumstances. While we're here with the heat gun, I'm going to take the badges off because I want to save them. Piece of piss, you just get a bit of fishing line, heat them up and run that down the back. Maybe. Oh yes, beautiful. Okay. So, seeing as that dent isn't really playing ball, I'm going to make a start on the side pods first and just scuff up all of this paint so the new stuff will lay straight on top of it. Alright, so I'm going to give these a go just with a brush to start with, see what kind of finish we can get. Obviously I'm not going to do the tank this way, I'll do that with a roller, but just for these it's a bit of a waste. So I've got a really soft, fine brush, and if I'm gentle with it, I have had quite good finishes in the past, so we'll give it a go. This is the paint that I did my van with, which is deep bronze green. A lot of people use the NATO green, but I want it to be different, so... Oh yes, there we go. So I'm just going to go on with the first coat. Let's see how we do. That looks pretty mega. It is like Land Rover green, pretty much. Original Land Rovers. And it's actually going on, as you can see, really nice because it's good quality paint. It's already thinned. I reckon with a bit of sanding, a bit of flattening it off at the end, should get a nice finish to these. Touch my van up as well. I'm going to leave the tank for the time being. And I'm going to start pulling bits off, starting with this, ready for paint. I've got all the spray and everything to do this. Everything here is going black. Been quite busy off camera this evening, so they're all done. Made a start on the tank, sanding that down, getting that ready to go. I've still got to pull the dent out, we'll do that in a bit. Have a look at these other bits. They're looking pretty good for a first coat, to be fair. Chickens? Right, now we're going to finish the day with a bit of golf. And our golf buggy is that. And there we go. Army golf.
Yes.
Hello there. Oh, good God.
Around tall below.
And there we go. Golf! Golf! Oh, the beer stand there.
I know, right?
This is how to be a golfist. In normal clothes, in a vehicle that can withstand nuclear warfare.
So, according to my scorecard, Jez to lead.
Hello.
Are you officially saying this is the team?
To be fair,
I was thinking the same thing.
so we can shave a little bit off.
isn't it?
On the lift, see, fuck all.
I'd love to go on a safari.
Imagine if we went on safari.
Oh my god, there's a video of now. There's a van street fucking West Midlands Sky.
That's van life right there, for me anyway. Beast bike. Proper. Nothing. No good. Gonna have to try something else.